Feeling like your kitchen is a constant battle for space? These clever little gadgets are about to change the game. Built to maximize every single inch, they bring smart storage solutions and time-saving features that make cooking and cleaning a breeze. Whether you're fighting crowded cabinets or messy countertops, these picks will help you create a cleaner, more efficient setup without a total remodel or expensive upgrade. We've linked all the products featured today in the description below, so let's dive right in. To begin with, let's tackle that messy zone under the sink with this brilliant organizer. It features smooth glide pull-out drawers that make grabbing cleaning supplies, spray bottles, and everyday essentials completely effortless. Plus, the sturdy two-tier layout maximizes every inch of unused cabinet space while keeping everything perfectly organized. No more awkward bending, digging through piles, or knocking bottles over. It's easy to assemble and instantly makes your kitchen feel cleaner and far more functional. Pricing starts at just $15. Up next, check out this amazing pull-down cabinet organizer. Its incredibly smooth mechanical glide brings items from high, hard-to-reach shelves down to a comfortable height, making daily storage much easier to access. Even better, the highly durable design maximizes your vertical cabinet space without sacrificing safety or convenience. Now, you can easily grab heavy dishes, pantry staples, or small appliances without stretching or climbing onto risky chairs. It's a game-changing upgrade for any home. Pricing starts at just $45. Moving on, let's take a look at this gorgeous bamboo pull-out spice rack. Its slim, sliding design glides out effortlessly, keeping every single seasoning perfectly visible, organized, and right at your fingertips while cooking. On top of that, the natural bamboo construction adds a warm, premium aesthetic to your kitchen while maximizing narrow cabinet spaces. You'll enjoy faster meal prep, zero clutter, and no more searching through dark, messy shelves. It is a simple upgrade you'll love. Pricing starts at $30. Next up, meet this Ultimate Spice Auto Measure Carousel Professional Series. It cleverly combines a rotating Lazy Susan-style organizer with a built-in auto measure dispenser, giving you exactly a quarter teaspoon of seasoning with a simple twist. It keeps your favorite spices neatly contained and always within easy reach. That means way less mess, perfect accuracy, and incredibly fast meal prep every single time you cook. Best of all, it saves precious countertop space. Pricing starts at just $45. Up next, don't overlook these simple spice gripper clips. They securely hold your favorite spice bottles to the inside of cabinets or pantry doors using strong adhesive backing that installs in literally seconds. Better yet, they instantly free up valuable shelf space while keeping every bottle highly visible and easy to grab. As a result, your cabinets stay neat and clutter-free without any bulky, heavy organizers. It's a cheap, incredibly easy solution that makes cooking convenient. Pricing starts at just $12 American dollars. If convenience is your thing, keep your favorite dry ingredients fresh with these airtight food storage containers. They feature a rock-solid, airtight seal that locks in freshness while completely protecting your food from moisture and pesky spills. Plus, their sleek, stackable design helps maximize cabinet space without creating any messy clutter. That means your snacks, grains, and pastas stay organized, easy to find, and ready whenever you need them. It's a simple storage upgrade every modern kitchen can benefit from. Pricing starts at $25. Moving right along, upgrade your prep station using this incredibly sleek stiffness steel cutting board. It features a highly durable, non-porous surface that is completely resistant to tough stains, strong odors, and everyday kitchenware. Even better, the clever double-sided design gives you extra versatility for all of your food prep tasks. That means much easier cleanup, improved hygiene, and a premium cutting surface built to last. It is a must-have for every home cook. Pricing starts at just $35. Coming in next, make your meal prep effortless with this multifunctional vegetable peeler. It features ultra-sharp stainless steel blades that glide right through tough veggies with absolutely minimal effort on your part. Plus, the ergonomic wooden handle provides a warm, comfortable, and highly secure grip for much better control while you prep. That means faster food preparation, smoother peeling, and way less painful hand fatigue after long cooking sessions. It's a tiny tool that makes a huge difference. Pricing starts at $12. Now for a real time saver. Check out this awesome 3-in-1 French fry cutter. It comes with sharp, interchangeable blades that let you easily create different sizes while slicing fresh vegetables. Better yet, the sturdy design makes cutting quick, highly consistent, and completely effortless. That means way less prep time and perfectly shaped restaurant-style fries every single time. It is a fun, highly useful gadget that gets the job done fast and easy. Pricing starts at just $25. And if you see something you like, you'll find links to every single product down in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And here is a smart safety upgrade featuring these awesome chef finger guards. They feature an adjustable stainless steel shield design that helps protect your fingers while you are quickly slicing, dicing, and chopping away with a sharp knife. On top of that, they are lightweight, comfortable to wear, and fully suitable for absolutely any adult hand size. That means you can prepare meals with greater confidence and total peace of mind in your kitchen. Pricing starts at just $10 United States dollars. Up next, give your favorite fruit a better home by looking this sleek banana hanger tree. It features a highly durable hanging hook that keeps bananas elevated instead of letting them clutter your countertops. Plus, the open-air design promotes incredible airflow, which helps reduce bruising and naturally extends freshness. That means your fruit stays in perfect shape while freeing up valuable kitchen workspace. It's a super simple addition that keeps your entire kitchen looking cleaner, more organized, and ready for everyday cooking. Pricing starts at $12. And make dishwashing way less of a chore, meet this smart dish brush with soap dispenser. It features a built-in soap reservoir that dispenses liquid detergent with a simple press, making quick cleanups much easier. Even better, the highly durable bristles easily tackle tough grease and stuck-on food without scratching your expensive non-stick cookware. That means cleaner dishes with far less scrubbing effort and much less wasted soap. It is an everyday sink essential you will absolutely love using. Pricing starts at just $10. Coming in next, protect your countertops by using this ultra-absorbent dish drying mat. It features a specially engineered fabric surface that quickly soaks up dripping water while providing a soft, safe cushion for delicate glasses, dishes, and utensils to air dry. Plus, it is incredibly lightweight, foldable, and easy to slide into a drawer when not in use. That means no more annoying water pooling around your sink and a much tidier countertop every single day. Pricing starts at just $8. Next on the list, make every inch of your space count alongside this expandable dish rack. It features an adjustable design that fits perfectly over most standard sinks, creating extra drying room without taking over precious counter space. Better yet, it allows water to drain directly down into the sink, reducing messy cleanups and speeding up drying times. That means way more workspace, better kitchen organization, and a much cleaner setup after every meal. Pricing starts at just $35. Here's another one that keeps things simple and cook in absolute style with this gorgeous gold kitchen utensil set. It includes a complete, high-quality collection of essential cooking tools designed to handle all of your everyday meal preparation. On top of that, the heat-resistant, highly durable construction is built for daily use, while the elegant gold finish adds a premium, modern touch to your home. That means having the perfect tool for every recipe without sacrificing style. Pricing starts at just $40. Let's elevate your dining experience featuring this stunning black silverware set with organizer. It includes a complete premium stainless steel flatware collection alongside a matching drawer organizer to keep every fork, knife, and spoon perfectly arranged. Even better, the sleek matte black finish adds a highly modern, elegant touch that complements any table setting. That means your utensils stay beautifully organized, easy to access, and ready for daily family meals or hosting close friends. Pricing starts at $30. Next up, check out these gorgeous glass cups with bamboo lids. Each premium cup comes with a natural bamboo lid and a reusable glass straw, making them absolutely perfect for iced coffee, fresh smoothies, or tea. On top of that, the durable glass construction delivers a clean, highly aesthetic look for your kitchen counters. As a result, you get gorgeous, reusable drinkware that is practical, sustainable, and ideal for everyday sipping at home. Pricing starts at $20. For those messy cleanup days, you'll absolutely love these heavy-duty durable gloves. They feature a completely waterproof, chemical-resistant design with uniquely textured non-slip palms for a rock-solid grip on wet surfaces. Even better, the highly flexible material provides lasting, soft comfort during those extra long scrubbing sessions. That means you can clean confidently while fully protecting your hands from harsh chemicals. They are a true household essential you will use daily. Pricing starts at $10. And last but certainly not least, slide your heavy kitchen appliances completely effortlessly by adding to these genius self-adhesive sliders. They attach securely to the bottom of heavy coffee makers, air fryers, stand mixers, or other countertop appliances in literally minutes. Best of all, they let bulky, awkward appliances glide incredibly smoothly while helping protect your beautiful countertops from ugly scratches. The result is easier kitchen cleaning, effortless repositioning, and way less backstrain. Pricing starts at just $8 today. And that wraps up our favorite smart kitchen gadgets designed to help you get the most out of every inch of your space. If you want to check out any of these products, you'll find all the links in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smart home finds. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.